do first binary addition. Now you know what, I just taught you how to convert decimal to binary. That will really help you in binary addition and subtraction. Binary addition, page number, what is this, 12, and we have the example we are gonna take is 101111 plus 10111. Okay, I was looking in the book because as you know I'm giving you the examples from the book so that it's easy for you, and you can, if you forget anything, you can just see the book and then remember it, right? So this is what we have got here, right? So this is what we have to do. We have to solve this. So first we are gonna write this whole thing. Okay, 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, then plus, okay, I'm writing it in gaps so that it's easier. 1 1 1 1. Okay, perfect, right? So now we have done this. Okay, so to do this is very easy. First you have to see 1 plus 1. Okay, so how will you do that? So this will be done by basically 1 plus 1 in decimals. In normal additions, when we do 1 plus 1 in our school, what do we get? We get 2. But here we are going to do binary addition, right? So now if you remember, what did I tell you? How do we convert 2 into binary? We divide it by 2. What do we get? We get 1, and here we get remainder 0. So we have to write both of these, so 1 and 0, and 2 is equals to 1 and 0, right? So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna write here 0, right? And then 1, because if you remember in our last class, in small, when for example we take 23 plus 9 of decimal only, so 3 plus 9 is 12. So what do we do in normal addition? We write here, and as it's 2-digit number, we are gonna do it carry, and we'll do it 1 here, and we get 32. The same way we are gonna do in binary addition. We know that 2 is equals to 1 0. We have written here 0 and we have given here 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3, right? So we are gonna now convert 3. So 2, right? So 2 divided by 3, we get 1, and remainder is 1. So 3 is equals to 1 1, right? So here we'll write 1 1. Now again 3, we'll get 3, so we know 1 1, right? Now another 3, so 1 and 1. Now here we are basically doing 1 plus 0. So in normal addition, how do you do 1 plus 0? What do you get? We just get 1, right? So we got 1, and then here 1. So easily we got the answer as 1 1 1 1 1 0. Now let's see if we have got the answer that is in our book. Okay, let's see. 1 Oh, I'm so sorry guys. Really sorry for the misunderstanding. Actually what I did was I wrote the question wrong. In our book it is written 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. We have 4, and then 1 0 1 1 1. right. So we have written 1011 here. This is the correct, which is in our book. But here we have done it with another thing. That's why we are getting another answer in the book, which in the book we are getting the correct answer, and here you might be thinking we are getting the wrong answer, that I'm teaching wrong. No, I actually accidentally wrote the wrong question. So here, but still, if you were given this question only, because you're not gonna get the question which is in our book, right? So if you get this question in your book, in your test, 0 1 1 1 1, so this is how you're gonna add it, right? But I'm gonna now teach you how to how it will be done of your book question, because so that you are like, okay, I'm teaching you correctly, okay? And the things that we use, how to convert and everything, we'll get the same answer that we have got in our textbook. Don't worry, guys, okay? This one second. Right. Okay, so we are gonna write here. Let me see. 1. I'm gonna now see very carefully. 0 1 1 1 1. Is this correct? Yeah, that's correct. And let's see. Plus 1 0 1 1 1. Is this correct? Yeah, now it's correct. Okay, no need to worry, guys. Okay, we got it. So I'm gonna place it in the middle. Okay, so before we do, we are gonna write here that 2 is equals to 1 0 in binary, and 3 is equals to 1 1 in binary, right? So here 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we have 1 0 in binary as 2. So we'll write a 0 and 1 here, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. And here we get 1 1. So 1 and 1. Again 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 1 and 1. Now 1 plus 1, 2. So 0 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now here we don't have anything else that we can carry. So as normal we are gonna do 10 here, right? So we got 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. Let's see if this is enough. 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. So we got the same answer as we got in our book. You see, I was not teaching you wrong. I accidentally wrote the wrong question. Don't you guys worry at all, okay? So now, no problem. Now, I'm gonna give you a task, an exercise. So what I want you guys to do is that I want you to see yourself. I want you to convert this number, okay? I want you to convert this number into decimal, this number into decimal, and this number into decimal, right?